was snowing and the forecast had called for some freezing rain. It actually didn't move out as quick as they thought it would. So by the time the precipitation changed over to rain, we had probably over an inch of ice. Tree limbs started falling on a Saturday morning. So we had a lot of tree limbs down. The local municipality said this is probably one of the worst ice storms that they had seen in years. So we started cleaning up. We had to open actually some state routes. The interstate was closed for a little while because of some power lines that were down. Strike force, each region has a strike force team. It allows us to deploy assets where we're needed. When we have a storm, a tornado, ice storm in this case, we can help each other in the region. It gives us extra assets, extra people, extra equipment to help out. We estimated the debris that we had here in District 27. It was about 7,000 cubic yards, and if we just use District 27 resources to clean that up, we think it will take about 5 weeks. By adding in the extra resources from Regions 1 and 3 and using all of District 27, we think we can get it cleaned up in a week's time. So we can do a whole lot more work in a short amount of time. And we have other work. We need to be mowing at this time. We need to mow the interstate, so this will help us to get to that quicker.
Today, well, I'm taking care of problems, so I'm delivering a truck to replace one that's down. We're delivering lunches.
Okay, we need wheat bread. Bologna for wheat, we need wheat.
Oh, we need wheat for this
Yes.
morning? Guys say this is the most important.
The Strike Force event that we're having is a merger of, we have construction employees, maintenance employees, as well as employees from 3 different regions. So it really is a team effort for TDOT to pull off this Strike Force event. So like the trees coming up right here. So this tree, we'll pull up to that, cut it up in pieces big enough that or small enough that our men can handle it, put it into a chipper, chip it in place. We actually are supposed to start mowing next week, so all of this has to be cleaned before next week so that we can mow. This is our documentation crew. They're taking a picture of every load. We're recording for FEMA reimbursement. That's why the platform is here. So at the platform, they're taking a picture of the license plate, they're taking a picture of each truck, they're documenting the percent that it's full, where it came from.
On average day we pave, build bridges, concrete, asphalt. Today's not an average day. Today we're assisting the maintenance side of our division in removal of the debris from the winter storm that we had here in Cumberland County. Today I'm taking pictures. We're verifying the loads that comes in to be unloaded. We're verifying them with pictures and written documentation.
So once they get there, they'll come through. We go to the far end, and that's where we're dumping, stacking it up as high as we can, and then they go for another load. This is the meat and potatoes of the operation. This is where we're loading all the trucks. The guys on the ground workers are having to saw the pieces up into 10 or 12 foot long pieces so we can fit them in the trucks. So we're loading the trucks here, we're taking them to our unmanned rest area at 307 to dump. So it's just a continuous operation. We're loading here, dumping them at 307 and keeping on going.
About 100 people in this operation today. And if things go on schedule, we should get it done in about 6 working days. It's coordinated pretty good, and the guys have done a fantastic job putting it together for us.